welcome to CSONS at Home. So we have some Kazakh dumplings called manti. Well, we've done it with mutton, but traditionally they'd be done with horse meat. We have got some sort of winter pickled veg. We've got some harissa, some garlicky yoghurt, and kind of a sort of date and pistachio kind of dookery sort of thing. And some foil. First thing we're going to do, our oven is at 180 degrees. I'm just going to get a little bit of water. So just going to bring a bit of water up to the boil. It's going to help us steam our dumplings. So we're going to make a little parcel with the foil that we gave you. Obviously get this boiling a little bit beforehand. Just because it's freezing in here, I'm going to get the harissa on top of the oven to warm that up a bit as well. So I'm going to put a little bit of water in the bottom. Like that. And just fold the foil into a bit of a parcel and put them in the oven. Great, and that's about all the hard work for the starter. So we'll just warm those manti through and then it'll be time to plate. These guys should be done. Drop some of these guys around. Try to make it so that they've got the same on each plate. There we go. And just put a little bit of this on each one. And a bit of a trickle of the harissa. I'm getting quite hungry looking at this. And a final sprinkle. Of our fruit and nut, shall we call it.